Every Muslim parent wants their child to love prayer. But how can they love a conversation with Allah if they don't understand a single word they are saying? Think about it. We stand in prayer reciting Surah Al-Fatihah 17 times every single day. For so many of us, and especially our kids, it becomes a routine. Words we repeated without truly feeling them. But what if every single verse was actually a deeply personal conversation with the Creator? Let's uncover Surah Al-Fatihah together. Did you know Surah Al-Fatihah goes by so many beautiful names? It's called Al-Kitab, which means the mother of book, because it captures core, essence and themes of the entire Quran in just a few verses. It's also known as As-Sab' al-Mathani, the 7 repeated verses in every single rak'ah of our daily prayer, confirmed by Prophet Muhammad ﷺ as the greatest surah in the Quran. We begin with Al-Fatihah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm sure you all know this. In the name of Allah, the entire merciful, the especially merciful. When you say this, you are opening wide door to Allah, endless love. Then comes Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the world. This isn't just a routine praise. It's a moment your heart recognizes that every single blessing you have comes directly from the one who cares of the entire universe. We then repeat Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, reminding ourselves over and over of how vast His mercy truly is, letting that warmth wrap around us. And then Malik Yawmiddin, Master of the Day of Judgment. This brings us a sense of deep safety and justice, reminding us that no matter what happens in this life, everything rests in His fair hands. Then we reach the very heart of the prayer. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. You alone we worship. You alone we ask for help. This is a pure trust. In that moment, you are leaning entirely on Him, dropping all worries because you know He's listening. Finally, we make the most beautiful request. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. Guide us to the straight path, a path of peace, clarity, and closeness to Him. When non-native speakers and our children actually feel this exact meaning, prayer is never a chore again. It becomes absolute highlight of their day. And what is the path? صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. So, heartfelt prayer for guidance and protection. You asking Allah to keep you and your family walking in the footsteps of those who found true peace, protecting your heart from the confusion in a noisy world. When non-native and our child feel this level of connection, prayer is no longer a chore, but you don't have to walk in this beautiful journey alone. At Al-Sharh Academy, we offer dedicated one-on-one private classes built perfectly around your peace and your children's needs. Give yourself and your children the gift of truly connected with the Quran. Just click the link below and pick your free trial class today at alsharhacademy.com.